Hey everybody, I am here at the Overland Expo Pacific Northwest, and I'm going to go over my solar again. I've got the Renogy system here with the Adventurer. It's a 30 amp setup. These are just basic wiring right now. I haven't added a whole lot to it yet, but it's been working out really nice for us. We've been able to charge everything off of one 100-watt panel. The reason why I went with a solid panel is to add some airflow. It maximizes efficiency by keeping the panel cooler throughout the day and getting it up off the ground. A lot of the flat ones, they tend to heat up and they lose efficiency during the heat of the day. And as you can see, I've got very long cables. I don't need them right now, but 20-foot cables are kind of a must when you're out camping in case you need to really push your panel out there a ways. USB, I've got two USB there. This is a 12-volt outlet, a breaker here, and over on the other side of the trailer, I've got my lithium iron phosphate battery here. I've got a 12-volt outlet here, and that goes up and into the tent where I've got a fan to control the whole thing, kind of monitor what's going on. I've got the Renogy app here. Now this connects Bluetooth to this system. Lets me know what my solar panel's doing. Right now status is normal, current voltage, my current in amps, and then power. So I'm pulling 60 watts off of that, and it is about 8:30 in the morning right now. So that's pretty good for a 100-watt panel this early. I'm at 100-watt capacity, or 100% capacity, and I'm at 25 Celsius on the temp. I can change that to Fahrenheit if I want, but Celsius is fine. I can record my activity with it. This is the settings in the app. It's really nice. And then the device info telling me which version I'm running and what my ID is for the Bluetooth. But right now I've still got my template board up there. I'm probably not going to use these panels here. These switch panels don't really do anything right now. You can see I haven't hooked them up, but they're kind of there. I'll reconfigure the whole thing and maybe show you that later. Another thing here is that I've got an inline fuse on my solar panels coming in. I got my main breaker here that allows me to just turn it off, and then over on the battery side I've got another 30 amp inline fuse within 1 foot of the battery, and that's to protect everything, to keep it from burning up. I'll put a schematic up so you can see that and how it's all wired up. But that's it. You can see I'm charging some of my camera batteries right now, and then I just take the cables, run them up into the tent through here, and allows us to watch movies. I've got an inverter that we were able to watch a movie last night. So there you have it. Hope you guys like it.